Can a simple change in diet transform your life? Discover the power of a vegan diet for autoimmune health. The vegan diet has surged in popularity, driven by ethical, environmental, and health benefits. Particularly for those with autoimmune diseases, a vegan diet can be a game changer. Autoimmune diseases occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own cells. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis can be managed with dietary changes. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, focusing on whole plant foods. Research shows that vegan diets can reduce inflammation and improve gut health. Plant-based foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds help reduce chronic inflammation. Dark leafy vegetables like spinach and kale are packed with vitamin K. Berries contain antioxidants called anthocyanins, which diminish inflammatory responses. Nuts like walnuts and almonds are important sources of omega-3 fatty acids. A plant-based diet reduces the intake of processed foods and common allergens. Processed foods contain additives and unhealthy fats that increase inflammation. Focusing on whole foods minimizes exposure to allergens and supports the immune system. Improved gut health is another significant benefit of a vegan diet. Dietary fiber and resistant starch promote a diverse gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for immune tolerance. Several autoimmune diseases can benefit from a vegan diet. Rheumatoid arthritis patients may experience relief through a vegan diet. Lupus patients can benefit from the anti-inflammatory properties of plant-based foods. Multiple sclerosis patients may see improved neurological function with a vegan diet. Inflammatory bowel disease patients can manage symptoms with a plant-based diet. A healthy vegan diet should include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based proteins. Fruits and vegetables offer vital antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Whole grains provide dietary fiber and resistant starch for digestive health. Plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds are essential for muscle repair and immune function. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds support brain function and reduce inflammation. Avoid processed foods, added sugars, gluten, and dairy products to reduce inflammation. Consult with a healthcare professional to ensure nutritional needs are met. Gradually replace meals with plant-based alternatives to ease the transition. Experiment with new recipes and foods to discover diverse flavors and cooking techniques.